So I just finished the Odin Project Foundation course over the last 3 weeks, which is a course on the basics of web development, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, and a few other web technologies. But I wanted to give a little warning before anyone started if they were considering taking it. In almost every section, there's a knowledge check portion that includes questions that you should be able to answer if you understood the material. It mentions in every one of these sections that you don't have to memorize this material, but I highly discourage that. These are foundational questions, and you should have some system in place to memorize this material long term. It takes 1 second to make a flashcard, and then you'll remember it forever. In my case, I use Anki, which is a spaced repetition flashcard program that's completely free. It takes 1 second to make a card, and over the course of this entire foundations course, I made around 1,200 flashcards, and without doing that, I would have forgot most of the material that I learned. Another thing I wanted to mention was that they have an additional resources section. At the end of each lesson, there's some additional material that they say isn't required, so it's optional. But I would highly recommend that you go through every single one of these things and at a bare minimum, read through them. Because a lot of times these materials have stuff in them that wasn't covered in the course that's also really useful. So in my case, I went through every single one of these articles and made a bunch of flashcards based on the important material that I wanted to memorize. Other than that, just do all the lessons, do all the projects, just follow it exactly how they say it, and everything's easy. So if you're gonna take the course, have fun. It was really cool. I'm gonna probably keep going into the more advanced courses, but I'm not 100% sure yet, but I'll make a video on it if I do.